Ever felt like you're carrying a weight no one sees? Each worry, task, or fight stacking silently until your calm starts to crack? Your heart tightens, your thoughts blur, and peace feels out of reach. That's not just stress. It's a storm, inside stealing your peace. Whether you're swamped by work, juggling family, or buried in tasks, that storm is real. But you can find clarity. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoicism exercises turn chaos into calm. What if you could face any chaos with steady peace? Stoic philosophy offers daily habits to reduce anxiety and boost mental health. Seneca said, "Every moment is enough." That's motivation for self-improvement. Today I'm sharing 8 exercises to quiet your inner storm, perfect for beginners, for women, or anyone seeking mindfulness. These Stoic habits will spark productivity and calm, whatever challenges come. I'll share stories of folks who found peace through Stoicism lessons, plus 1 easy step per exercise for everyday practice. By the end, you'll have a 7-day Stoic Reign challenge to master your mindset. Ready to clear the chaos? Let's dive into exercises that transform. Meet Lila, a tech manager drowning in work. Every ping tightened her chest, her mind spinning with fear of falling behind. A Stoicism exercise changed her mornings. She picked one task to nail daily, no matter how small. "I was unraveling," she says, voice steady. "Now I'm focused and my team's thriving. We just launched a game-changing app." Then Javier, a teacher buried in grading, doubted he was helping his students. A practice taught him to act with purpose, not panic. "I was fading," he says, eyes bright. "Now I teach with clarity, and my kids shine." One earned a full-ride scholarship. Diane, a retiree, felt her days lacked meaning after leaving her job. Her mind churned with regrets. A simple habit helped her find joy again. "I felt empty," she says, smiling. "Now I'm thankful, volunteering at a food bank. I'm alive again." And Amir, a single dad and nurse, couldn't sleep, worrying about his kids. A daily practice brought him back to the moment. "I was breaking," he says, voice warm. "Now I'm present for my boys. We laugh every night." These stories prove that daily Stoicism exercises bring peace. Now here are 8 to build your mindset, rooted in Stoic quotes and designed for mindfulness. Each is quick, fits any schedule, and deepens your relationships. Stay for a 7-day challenge and a bonus exercise to ignite your motivation. First, habit, calm, anchor, purpose, find focus in chaos, actions. Morning, take 2 minutes. Jot 1 worry like work's overwhelming. Pick 1 step, like finish 1 task. Do it by noon. Evening, note how it felt, like I felt steadier. Say, I stay calm. Your step. Today, jot a worry, act, and note the calm. Feel, mindfulness spark. Second habit, purpose. Step purpose. Act with clear intent. Actions. Morning, take 2 minutes. Jot 1 focus like, be patient today. Do it within 2 hours. Evening, note if it calmed you like I felt centered. Say, I move forward. Your step. Today, jot a focus, act, and note the peace. Lift your mental health. Third habit, gratitude glow. Purpose. Uncover joy amid stress. Actions. Evening, take 2 minutes. List 3 things you're thankful for, like a kind word, a finished task, a quiet moment. Act on 1 tomorrow, like thank them. Say, I find joy. Your step. Tonight, list 3 joys and act tomorrow. Feel motivation. Fourth habit, shield purpose. Block distractions for calm. Actions. When distracted, like by a text, pause for 10 seconds. Take 3 breaths, ask, can this wait? If yes, jot it for later, like check tonight. If no, act soon, like reply in 20 minutes. Say, I hold focus. Your step. Next distraction, pause, breathe, and decide. Reduce anxiety. Fifth, habit, thought forge. Purpose. Reframe stressful thoughts. Actions. Evening, take 2 minutes. Jot a heavy thought like, I'm not enough. Pick a lighter one like, I'm growing. Act on it like, list 1 strength. Say, I clear my mind. Your step. Tonight, jot a thought, reframe, and act. Build your mindset. Sixth habit, present breath, purpose, stay in the moment. Actions. Morning, take 2 minutes. Sit quietly, take 7 deep breaths. Notice one detail like, my coffee's warm. Jot it. Say, I'm here. Your step. Today, breathe, notice, and jot. Feel mindfulness. Seventh habit. Virtue. Guide. Purpose. Find calm through purpose. Actions. Morning. Take 2 minutes. Jot one goal, like, be kind today. Pick a virtue, like kindness, and one act, like compliment someone. Do it. Evening. Note how it felt, like, I felt connected. Say, I lead with virtue. Your step. Today, jot a goal, act with virtue, and note the calm. Find productivity. Bonus habit, joy. Burst purpose. Spark daily happiness. Actions, evening for 7 days, take 2 minutes. Jot one joyful moment, like, I smiled with a friend. Make more tomorrow, like call them. Say, I spark joy. Your step. Tonight, jot a joy, act tomorrow, and feel daily light. These 8 Stoicism exercises are your 7-day Stoic Rain challenge to quiet your inner storm. They'll reduce anxiety, deepen relationships, and bring mindfulness through any chaos. Start with Calm Anchor today. Track your self-improvement in a journal. Share your top exercise in the comments to join our Stoic Rain community. Join Stoic Rain for more motivation. Subscribe now. You're not the storm. You're the calm at its core, as Stoic philosophy teaches. Build peace with Stoicism exercises. Let's keep growing calm together.